Hello everyone, welcome to GSL Pakistan. I am Mubarak Ali Khan. I take care of this office, this name that is Gateway Study Links, known as GSL Pakistan. Over here, we are helping people moving abroad. Our cash line says IELTS to flight, so we help you in IELTS, TOEFL, PTE, OET, SAT, Duolingo, language cert, name any language course, we help you with that. And of course, we help you with your flights too. That doesn't mean that we help you to go to airport, but we help you to get your offers, we help you to get your visa filing done. And today I'll just walk in my office and you would see what do we offer here. And catch me over there, please. Take care. Alright, just follow me and let's see what do we have to offer you. So at my back, this is our British Council Registration Center where we help people getting registered for IELTS, as well as this is our Consultation Registration Center too, where we help people moving to, of course, I mentioned already, UK, Australia. Now at my back, you can see our success stories. And these are just a few success stories, but we have, mashallah, more than 1,000 plus success stories. So actually, as far as IELTS is concerned, we have trained more than 5,000 students in this year. And if I just compile the journey of 7 years, so there are countless success stories we have. Most of the students, they got 7 or 7 plus in IELTS. And of course, as we say, from IELTS to flights. So we had been helping them in their IELTS as well as flights. And don't mind that PTE is also there now. So follow me for the classroom now and we'll see what else do we offer here. We are doing exactly is there is a conference going on. Let's not talk a lot. Let's just keep moving. Sorry to bother you guys, right? Okay, from here you can move on, and that is one of our small PTE lab. There we have students who are busy doing their tasks, so let's not disturb them as well. Well, thank you very much for watching. I have my lecture now. I'll catch you soon. Bye bye. What's going on here, class? Stand up, all of you. What was that? Sit down. You don't have a place to sit. Go, go, go. Don't stand in front of me. Go. All right, today we will talk about writing format of PTE. And that is the major concern we will have today, right? Now, this is our another classroom, and please continue. Sorry. All right, now we are at the silenced place of GSL. This is our dedicated mock lab, where students sit and they do their practices, and complete diagnostic mocks as well as complete regular mocks are conducted away. All right, this is our lounge in which we have our director IT, Abu Bakr, and this is the view we have out there. If you are planning to move to I8, let's have a cup of tea.
Hello everyone, this is Sadi Ali Khan from GSL Pakistan. As the managing director, I personally take great pleasure in overseeing all operations and making it a seamless experience for all our students. As the front face of GSL, I am greatly involved in all consultancy related matters, helping our students in making best decisions ever. Your dreams and aspirations are at the heart of our endeavors. Together, let us continue our journey towards excellence, empowering you to achieve great academic heights in a bright future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Ibrahim from GSL I8 Markaz Islamabad.
Hello, this is Shameen Zafar and I'm working here at GSL as an academic coordinator.
Hello everyone, this is Ifsai Jaz here. I'm an English language instructor here at GSL Pakistan I8 Markaz.
Hello everyone, this is Mohammed Tayyab. I'm working as an English language expert at GSL.
Assalamu alaikum, I'm Aisha and I'm an OET expert at GSL Pakistan I8 campus.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Noor Fatma. I am study abroad consultant at GSL Pakistan.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Sana Ahmed. I am the front desk officer and HR manager at GSL. Hello there, this is Kissa Fatma on the other side. I am working as a branding manager and a strategist here at GSL.
All right, that was a very brief virtual tour of our campus. If you are still struggling with IELTS, TOEFL, PTE, OET, or any tests, and if you think that you are struggling to move to abroad, we can help you in your study matters. We can help you getting yourself enrolled, writing your SOPs, helping you with the visa filing and all. And if you think that you are unable to visit us in I8, which is just above Coffee Planet and Faisal Bank, you can dial our contact, that is 0331873124, 0336555882, or visit our website, that is thegateway.pk. God bless you and God bless Pakistan.